Show! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Bago ang lahat, please subscribe and don't forget to pindutin naman ang bell button para updated kayo sa akong mga bagong video. Today is panibagong vlog, panibagong hamon sa buhay. Today is again mag-unboxing ang aking anak sa kaniyang Lazada delivery launcher. Let's start!
So today, guys, we're gonna unbox an LR launcher. I'm so excited to unbox this, guys. This is from Lazada. So let's get started. Guys, let's unbox this now. Oh, whoa, oh my God, oh. Dude, oh, I think this is fake. Yeah, this is fake. But it's good. It's good, guys. At least we have an LR launcher. Let's get opening. Here's my grip. And yeah, it's from Achilles. So we're gonna unbox this now. Real unboxing. I need the scissors. Oh, there's the scissors. Come on! Cut this off. That is cut that off. Whoa. Here's the LR launcher. Whoa. It is smooth launch. It's a smooth launchy. Now the bay. Oh my God. I need to get out plastic. I need to assemble this. How to assemble this again? Okay. Oh my God, those guys. Put it up. There you go. Here's my launcher. Now, how to put? But the problem is how to put this thing. Oh, dude. How to do this, guys? How to do this, dude? How to do this? Is this like this? Is this like this? No. I don't know. I don't really know. Oh my God, what the heck is this? My God. Oh, what's this? Huh? What's this? Oh, now I see. Look at this, guys. Now it's time to do this. Oh. Now, sorry. Now, we shall able to complete this like this. Yeah, I think this style sucks. How about let's do it. Yeah, that. Now that's stuck. Yeah. Now let's test this launch. Test launch. We're gonna do test launches here. We have the launcher. I have the Lucifer the Ant Bay. I need to get near. Now let's go. 3, 2. I'm gonna do Hikaru style. 3, 2, 1, and rip. Oh my God. Miss. 3, 2, 1, and rip. Oh yeah. That feels good. I need walls. I need some walls. I really need some walls. Anyways, we need some walls. No, never mind. I need this, man. Thank you. Yeah, this is for walls. You can see there. 3, 2, 1, rip. Well, now. Oh my God. I'm bullied, guys.
No, there's a water. Please.
What? Okay, guys. I just gotta give my mom water. Just wait. That's the last launch. 200. I'm gonna pause. Oh my god, it's too fast, guys. It's too fast. Good entry, 200. Real fast. Super fast. This is right. 3, 2, 1, rip. Just a slow launch. Good. So I just need water. Just to kind of pause this, okay? I'm gonna give my mom water. So I'm gonna use the chair, not the original stadium that I always use. So 3, 2, 1, rip. Oh no, it's still not gonna work. I'm just gonna slow launch. Oh, there you go, guys. You see this? You see that? But okay, fine. I'm just gonna show it. Oh, here. I think I'm gonna hard launch it. 3, 2, 1, right. Oh no, it's gonna be don't. We just need put some safety pockets so that the driver won't break. Yeah, I need another one. Sorry, mom. So, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Still don't work. 3, 2, 1, red. Oh, finally. I just like do this. Oh. The big, look, it's good. It's so good. They made this thing. Good flame. 3, 2, 1, red. Who's the boss? Limit break the end. Oh, nice. How about let's hard launch? 3, 2, 1, rip. Oh my god. It really needs walls. Next time I'm gonna put walls, guys, so there's no that. It's gonna be epic. 3, 2, 1, rip. Sorry guys, I didn't bring my friends because it's quarantine. That's why I'm just playing with my own. Only 14 years old below. I'm 14 years old below cannot go outside. Only 14, age 14 like that, older can go outside. Oh, oh, dude, shoot. Let's do it again. 3, 2, 1, right. Oh, that's good. Oh, that crazy attack power. And guys, it's activate. I don't have a lot of base because the Brave Valkyrie is broken. So I'll just play with my Lucian for the end and my launcher. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Oh no! Oh, come on.
TV na, wala makalitan naman na.
I know. I don't watch that.
Thank you for watching.
The Will Show TV official.
Babo.
Sorry for that. I'm gonna end the video.
Papa.
Kuya, mama.